Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay Roberts, and in today's video we are going to look at the best video creator. Now, sure, you can expect money for Premiere Pro and things like that, but this app is completely for beginners and intermediates and advanced users. So I'm going to show you it now, but before we get into it, this is my channel. I show different ways to make money with video by uploading to different platforms such as Fiverr, Facebook, Upwork, Etsy, and I show different video creating apps, guys. So feel free to come and check them out. But let's get into it. Now today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, this video creator gets released. So if you buy it early, you get the early bird discount, and basically you can turn your ideas into world-class animated videos for any goal in all shapes, topics and languages at record speed. It's created by Paul Ponner and Sid, and it's got hundreds of ready-to-use templates from all the hottest topics designed suitable for every business, guys. So you can sell these videos you make to local businesses. You can create them for your own use. Videos comes in all shapes and dimensions. So you've got like your Facebook, you've got your Instagram, you've got your TikTok, you've got your YouTube. You can use them. You've got like videos like explainers, animated, whiteboard, e-commerce, or any other type of video inside one platform. Whereas with programs such as Adobe, you need to create these videos, yeah? Whereas in this one, in Video Creator, hundreds of them are already made. So all you do is click it, change a few like texts or the logo, etc., and you can just sell them straight away. You don't have to be creative because they're already created for you. And they come in lots of different languages, so you can get like global attention. You can unlimited video renders, so there's no limits or restrictions on monthly fees. You just make as many videos as you want, guys. Copyright free video, image and music library, save thousands in fees. So if you upload to YouTube, you're not going to get done. You can get monetized, which means then you can make money with the YouTube ads. Commercial license included, so that means you can sell them to clients online and offline to maximize revenues. Yeah, whatever you make, whatever you sell for, you keep 100% of the profits, guys, which is win-win. Yeah, so it's a one-time payment only. We'll see the price in a bit. Let's just keep going down. Like it says here, unlimited possibilities, unlimited video forever, all inclusive, all inclusive dashboard. Yeah, and here's a glimpse of some of the kind of videos you can do. So for instance, like promo videos, yeah, like a show reel. You've got your intro video show reel. You've got your marketing commercial shows reel, health and wellness, food videos, Facebook cover videos, fashion and style show reel, explainer video show reel, coronavirus videos, straw stoppers, corporate commercials, motion tracking, video flipbooks, e-commerce, 3D, and so on and on and on, guys. Yeah, lots of different ones. 3 simple steps. So you can select whichever template you want. You customize it, like put like your colors, just change the text, change the image, etc. You don't have to put your own logo on it, and then create, guys. So in 3 simple steps, you've got a video ready. Some testimonials up here. I'll put this link in the description so you can come and check it out. Here's some stats about different videos, like 86% of video marketers say video increased their website traffic. 83% saw an increase in the average time their visitors spend on the website. 87% said video increased their return of interest. Yeah, and so on, guys. Lots of different ones. Why isn't everyone using video? Because some people can't basically be bothered to make the video. Yeah. And outsourcing and freelancers cost a fortune. Building videos yourself needs skill. Learning complicated apps takes time. Copyright-free assets are hard to find. Other apps don't include commercial rights, and other video apps have limits. But with Video Creator, You save money because you replace freelancers with hundreds of pro quality templates, like I said, already made for you. No experience needed because it's all in what they make it super easy. And like I said, if they're already created, you don't need any experience. You just download them. So you're going to save time as well, yeah. You automate millions of copyright-free music, so you got all them included, so you don't have to search for it. And the commercial rights you get with it, so you keep 100% profits, and there's no limits or restrictions on monthly fees, yeah. So Video Creator is the only multi-purpose video maker you will need, guys. And there's a video here showing just a few different samples of different ones. Yeah. So many good ones, guys. It's an all-in-one video maker, ready-made video templates, customize everything, upload your own logos, images, and music. Videos all in all dimensions. Millions of royalty-free images, easy-to-use dashboard, full HD resolution, built-in music library, 100% cloud-based app, so you don't need to install anything, guys. It's not going to clog your computer up. Step-by-step training, so you got any, and top-notch support, guys. Both very important factors in this. And how is it different from other apps? So revolutionary motion tracking technology. So like you got your logo here as he moves on the screen. So is your logo or whatever logo, your client's logo, whatever. You got your big budget corporate style videos. Yeah. You've got your pattern interrupt scroll stoppers. So these are the ones what you see on Facebook when you're scrolling down and it looks like something's coming out of the screen. Like on here, it shows like the ball. I'll just show a quick video. Let me just take the sound off. So like here, like it shows this guy throwing the ball. Yeah. But you can change like your company name, like here with a lion. Looks like it's coming out like you. And so on, guys. Profit boosting e-commerce and product demo videos. These are important if you're like you're selling products, so you can go over to Amazon, get some images and put them on these, and then sell them, guys, and make affiliate marketing money and etc. Like first to market video flip books. These are quite cool. I'm not seeing these on any apps I use. It turns like your images into like a book kind of thing, a flip book. Yeah. Then you've got your futuristic 3D animation videos, which are quite expensive to make, so that's good. Local business videos featuring real human actors. So you've got like, your text on the screen, so you can put whatever message you can as if you're talking to them and texting them, etc. Immersive 360-degree animation videos. And yeah, and so on, guys. And it's just a one-time payment, guys. These are like the tiger running right at you, yeah? I like them videos. Called scroll stoppers. All-inclusive, one-stop solution for all your video marketing needs. And look, you can make these explainer videos, whiteboard, e-commerce, video ads, live action, video commercials, social media, logo reveals, product promos, slideshows, scroll stoppers, mock-ups, guys. Hundreds of video designs for every purpose. So cool, guys. Endless customization options, so you can do all sorts. Videos in all sizes, millions of royalty-free images, stunning copyright-free music, limited everything, no monthly fees. Another video here, guys. And it's this video creator is a perfect choice for content creators, authors, teachers, business owners, bloggers, social media managers, freelancers, digital marketers, video agencies, realtors, e-commerce, and more, guys. So pretty much it's good for everybody. And it helps you attract new customers. Video helps you attract new customers, boost brand exposure, and slash your advertising costs. You get free organic traffic and sell the videos for 100% profit. Have a look, you can sell these different videos for different prices here. Yeah, some good monies here, guys. Then you can go yourself. If you put yourself onto like sites like Upwork, you can advertise you can advertise yourself and like charge by the hour if you want, guys. Do some video editing, yeah. And we'll get to the price in a minute. You get these bonuses if you purchase this today. You get the commercial license, which is very important, so you can sell them to other people. Unlimited video renders forever. Yeah, no limits. Unlimited background removal, which is very good to have. Huge font library. So much more, guys. Now, there's two different options, guys. There's video creator personal, and then there's video creator commercial, which is the best seller, right? You can get this for a one-time fee of $37, guys. Yeah, it's just a personal license, that one. Whereas in this one, commercial license, it lets you sell the videos, yeah, and you get quite a lot more stuff, yeah. So you can sell the videos for one, which is important. Facebook group access, you get the Skype mentorship group access, and you get the 8-week training webinars. And that is for $47, yeah, a one-time fee. The price does go up every hour, and after the launch days are over, it will be going up in price. Just letting you know, guys. So you pay once for unlimited videos forever. It's fast and easy, unlimited and affordable, and it's super profitable. So wave goodbye to multiple video apps, yeah, because as you know, I use lots of different apps. This is all in one, so I won't have to use as many. Monthly or yearly fees, technical skill or experience, and again, monthly fees. Get rid of manual work or wasting hours, fancy camera equipment, hiring expensive freelancers, or boring video slides. You get it all in this. And these are creators, Paul Ponner and Sid Dower. Both have made some awesome products in the past. And if you don't know, I'm not sure if it's going to show us any of the... No, it's not showing us. You've got some questions and answers if you want to read it, guys. But that is it, guys. That is the best video creator out there, guys. And I'm saying that because it's got everything all in one. Yeah, if you pay more money, you can get like your Adobe, but then you've got to do all the work yourself. You've got to create the videos. But this, it's got lots of things done for you. So that's why I think this is the best video app, the best video creator out there. And it gets launched today, guys. Today's date is the 13th of April, 2021. So if you're watching this in a future date, then this video creation app will probably be up in price, and it'll be you might not get all the bonuses. So if you want to check it out, guys, the link is in the description, and it will take you over to this page here. If you enter your name and email, you can get a chance to win a free copy, guys. And the webinar starts today on the 13th of April at 2 p.m. Eastern time. The product gets launched at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So you put your name and email in. You go and watch this. Go and watch the webinar when it starts at 2 p.m. and you've got a chance to win 20. Well, it says 20 lucky winners will be picked at random on the live webinar to win a free copy of Video Creator. But also, guys, you also get a chance to win 10 webinar attendees will be picked at random to win $100. Yeah, you've got 10 chances to win $100. Now, if you won that $100, you could buy Video Creator, and you're still saving. You're still quids in. Yeah, but it's only $47 if you get the commercial one, which is probably the better one, guys, because then you can sell them and make more money. And then you get a chance to join the secret Facebook group where you get access to our secret Facebook group where we will be giving away 3,000 in additional prizes, guys. So it makes sense, guys. Enter your details here, press on that, watch the webinar when it goes live at 2 p.m. and then Paul Ponner will talk about the app. He will show you how to use the app. He'll show you what you can create in the app, and he'll also show you how to make money with the videos that you create, which is very important, guys, because that's what we want, isn't it? Money. And then while you're watching it, you might even win it, so you don't have to buy it, or you might win some money. So worth watching, guys. It goes live at 3. The link for this will be in the description, so feel free to sign up to it, guys, and good luck and all the best, guys. Let us know in the description, in the comments, sorry, if you like to look at this app. And yes, till next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.